A recent study shows that over 60% of Americans are considering switching to an electric vehicle within the next 5 years. But there's one major problem. Most EVs are still too expensive for the average buyer. That's where Tesla's upcoming Model Q changes everything. It's set to be the most affordable Tesla yet, making EVs accessible to millions. But what makes this car so special, and how is it going to shake up the market? Let's find out. Tesla has dominated the EV industry for years, but one thing has held it back: the price. Even the cheapest Model 3 still costs more than many gas-powered cars. But the Model Q is designed to change that. Expected to be priced around $25,000, it's Tesla's answer to the budget-friendly EV market. That's right, a Tesla for the price of a Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic. And it's not just about cost. The Model Q is expected to be packed with cutting-edge technology while keeping things simple enough to remain affordable. So how can Tesla make a car this cheap? It all comes down to innovation. Tesla has been developing a new way to manufacture cars called the unboxed process. This method eliminates traditional assembly lines and instead builds large sections of the car separately before putting them together. This not only speeds up production, but also cuts costs significantly. This means Tesla can produce more cars at a lower price while maintaining the quality and safety standards that people expect. Another big factor is the battery. One of the most expensive parts of an EV is its battery pack, but Tesla has been working on making cheaper and more efficient batteries. The Model Q is expected to use Tesla's new 4680 battery cells, which offer better range and durability while reducing production costs. This means a more affordable car without sacrificing performance. While official numbers haven't been confirmed, experts predict the Model Q could have a range of around 250 to 300 miles on a single charge. Plenty for everyday driving. Now, what about performance? Tesla has built a reputation for making fast, high-tech cars, and the Model Q is no exception. While it won't be as fast as a Model S Plaid, it's still expected to offer quick acceleration, responsive handling, and the smooth driving experience that Tesla is known for. And of course, it will come with autopilot, Tesla's advanced driver assistance system, which could make driving safer and more convenient. Design-wise, the Model Q is expected to be a compact crossover, similar in size to a Honda HR-V or Toyota RAV4. This makes it a great choice for city driving, while still offering enough space for small families or road trips. The interior will likely follow Tesla's minimalist approach, featuring a central touchscreen for controls and a spacious cabin without unnecessary buttons or dials. One of the most exciting aspects of the Model Q is its potential impact on the EV market. If Tesla can successfully launch a $25,000 electric car, it will put huge pressure on other automakers to lower their prices and improve their technology. This could lead to a massive shift away from gas-powered cars much faster than expected. For the first time, buying an EV might not just be a choice for the wealthy or environmentally conscious. It could become the best financial decision for the average driver. But there's still one big question. When will the Model Q be available? While Tesla hasn't given an exact release date, many experts believe production could start as early as 2025. The company has already built a factory in Mexico, which is expected to play a key role in manufacturing this affordable EV. If everything goes according to plan, we could see Model Qs hitting the roads within the next couple of years. Tesla has always been a game changer, but the Model Q might be its most important car yet. If it delivers on its promises, it could redefine the auto industry and make electric vehicles the new normal. The only question now is, are you ready for the future?